Hello guys, hope you're fine. In this video, I will show you the way how to solve the questions on the practice S3, essay practice S3 given out by the College Board. So let's get started with the question number 1. Here we are given some variables like NKLH, and the question says if the customer asked painter to use more expensive brand, which of the factors in the expression would change? If you want to have a more expensive brand, you need to change the price. Which of the following is related with the price? N is number, K is a constant with unit dollars. You see, K is dollars, we need to change K. The second question, they said we are given 3R, they ask for 6R plus 3. 6R is twice of 3R. So if you multiply both sides by 2, it will be like 6R is equal to 36. If 6R is 36 plus 3, we need to add 3, that will be 39. Which of the following is equal to a raised to 2 over 3? For all values of a, we know the formula a raised to n over m is equal to m's root of a raised to n. So automatically, it is third root of a square. So in the question number 4, we are given 1776 and 1849 and another 1850 to 19. Let's say if 30 states join the United States between the first one. So 30 states are there, and the X states in the second one, X states in the second one. Which of the following equation is true? All right. So here you see what is given. We are given that this one is twice of 50 to 19. 50 to 19 is X. So this is twice of X. So the answer is B. For the fifth question, what is the value of X over 5? Just need to cross multiply. 5X plus 100 is equal to 15X. Take X to the left side. 100 is equal to 15X minus 5X. So 10X is equal to 100. X is 10. The question is X over 5. X over 5 is like 10 over 5. That is 2. 6 is a solution of the system of a question, but what's the value of X minus Y? Look, if you just add them up, it is like 5X minus 5Y is equal to minus 20. If you divide both sides by 5, this like X minus Y is equal to minus 4. This is what the question is. The function f is divided by the polynomial sum of the values. Okay, which of the following is a factor of fx? If you are talking about the factor of fx, you have to check the values when fx is equal to 0. So only this one might be the factor. We just need to know how to define the factor. So you have to write x minus x values. So x minus 4 will be the factor. Or another way is what? We just need to equalize the answer key to the 0. What value of x makes a factor 0? Look, it might be 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in the answer key, for what value of x, fx is equal to 0? Here, only in the case 4. 8 says, what's the slope of a line in terms of c and t? Okay, we are given this. Let's say it is graphed in the xy plane. So CD is on the line. C is x coordinate, D is y coordinates. I'm going to write here D instead of y and k times c instead of x plus 4. Look, D is equal to k multiplied by c plus 4. They say, what's the slope? Slope is k. We just need to find k here. So c and k is equal to d minus 4. K is equal to d minus 4 over c. It is A. So in the question 9, they said the system has no solution. For the no solution, we have to divide the coefficient of the axis. K over 4 must be equal to minus 3 over minus 5 and should be different from 4 over 7. Just need to focus on this part, cross multiply. Like minus 12 is equal to minus 5, okay? And k is what? 12 over 5. It is A. 10th one. The parabola with the equation is intersect the line equation. Doesn't matter whatever the functions are. If you are looking for intersection point, we have to equalize them. X minus 11 square is equal to 25. Look, you don't need to open the brackets. What square is equal to 25? Is either 5 or minus 5. So one of the roots is 16. Another root, x2, is equal to 6. What is the length of the AB? From 6 to 16, we have 10 units difference, A. So for the 11, which of the following must be true? All right, look, here we see that y is equal to u, y is equal to u, z is equal to w, and t is equal to x. And what we are given that x plus y is equal to u plus w, u plus w. All right. Here we are given that y is equal to u. Look, y is equal to u, so we get x is equal to w. Oh, look, x is equal to t at the same time. So it means t is equal to w, and w is equal to z at the same time. So it means t is equal to x is equal to w and is equal to z. Which of the following must be true? X is z. It must be true, yes, because x is z here. Y is w. Y is w. We are not given. We don't know. It could be true, but the question is must be true. So we are not going to choose the second one. Z is equal to t. Yeah, of course, z is equal to t. First and third one is correct. In the question 12, the graph of the equation the xy plane is parabola with the vertex CD. Which of the following is that? Is D. So you know that in the parabola, we have vertex point here. To find the vertex, we have to find x-intercept, and the vertex is midpoint of those values. If you equalize it to the 0, you're going to get one of the root -4, another one is 2. So the vertex is midpoint. -4 plus 2 divided by 2 is -1. Vertex x, I mean this C, is -1, but they ask for D. D is vertex y. To find vertex y, let's say if it is the y line, to find vertex y, we have to substitute -1 into the equation. If I substitute -1 into the equation, a times -1 minus 2 and -1 plus 4. The product will be -9a. It is a. The question 13, what's the value of a? This kind of question, I just check the coefficient of the x square. Coefficient of x square is 24, and when we just had the same denominator here, like we have to multiply both sides by ax minus 2. So the coefficient of x square, how we can get the x square? By multiplying this to ax. So -8 times a will be the coefficient of x square. And here the coefficient of x square is 24x squared. So -8a is 24, a is -3. 14, what are the solutions? Just need to divide both sides by 3. X squared plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. We can find this discriminant. Discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. 16 minus 8, that is 8. X1 and 2 is minus b, which is -4, plus minus square root of discriminant divided by 2a. A is 1. So we can simplify it like this, -4 plus minus. We can show the 8 as this one, 4 times 2. So square root of 4 will be 2 outside, divided by 2. If we show them separately, like -4 divided by 2 plus minus 2 square root of 2 divided by 2, it will be -2 plus minus square root of 2. It is A. 15, they said, look, in this kind of question, we don't need to check this constant. We get what? C is equal to 5/9f. And if you find f, f is equal to 9/5. C. So what does it mean? It means that if I increase f by 1 unit, C increase by 5/9 unit. Okay. If I increase C by 1 unit, f increase by 9/5 units. Let's check the answer key. So they said the temperature increase 1 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to temperature increase 5/9 degrees Celsius. You see, if I increase f by 1, C increase by 5/9. So first one is correct. Second one, temperature increase by 1 degree Celsius. In that case, Fahrenheit increase 9/5. I mean 1.8 degree. It's also correct. Temperature increase 5/9 degree Fahrenheit. If it increased by 5/9, they say this one increased by 1. It's not right. So the answer will be first and second. So this is grading questions. The question 16 also here. Just open the parentheses, x raised to 5 multiplied by 5x cubed plus 4x is equal to 0. Factor out x raised to 4 minus 5x cubed x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. So as you see, one of the root will be 0 here. Another one, x raised to 4 minus 5x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. So we can write the factors like x squared minus 4 and x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So we will just equalize them to 0 separately. X squared minus 4 is equal to 0. X squared minus 1 is equal to 0. X squared is equal to 4. X2 is equal to 2. X3 is equal to minus 2. And here, x squared is equal to 1. X4 is equal to minus 1. Xy is equal to 1. We got 5 roots. Let's say x is greater than 0. What's one possible solution to the equation? Greater than 0, we got 2 and 1. Both are the answers. Question 17, what's the value of x? So what we can do, this is 7 minus 4, that's like 3x divided by 9 is equal to, if we multiply both sides by 3, it will be 3 divided by 12 plus 5 divided by 12. That's 8 divided by 12. It is 3 and it is 2 over 3. So x over 3 is equal to 2 over 3, means x is equal to 2. And question 18, two isosceles triangles are shown above. If 18 minus z is equal to 2y and y is 75. Let's simplify this. 180 minus z is equal to 2 times y is 75. So 180 minus z is equal to 150. Here we go, z is 30. What is the value of x? Okay, look, if z is 30, these are isosceles. This is isosceles triangle, so let's say it is alpha and alpha. What we can do, z plus 2 alpha is equal to 180 degrees. Z is 30 degree plus 2 alpha is equal to 180. So 2 alpha is equal to 150 degree. Alpha is 75 degree. So if alpha is 75 degree, alpha plus x is equal to 180. If it is 75 degree, automatically x is what? Here we got x is 105 degree. The question 19, at lunch stand, each hamburger has 50 more colors than each order fries. For the hamburgers, I'm going to write H, and fries, I'm going to write F. They say each hamburger has 50 more colors than each order fries. Hamburger is fries plus 50. Okay, if 2 hamburgers and 3 orders of fries, 2 hamburgers plus 3 fries have total 1700 calories. How many calories does a hamburger have? So we are going to use the substitution method. Look, 2 times, instead of h, I'm going to write f plus 50 plus 3f is equal to 1700. Okay, 2f plus 100 plus 3f is equal to 1700. 2f plus 3f is 5f is equal to 17 minus 100 is equal to 1600. So f is equal to what? 320. What they ask for? How many colors does a hamburger have? Hamburger is f plus 50. So f is 320 plus 50, it's like 370. And the last question, ABC. E is 90 degree. Okay, let's write A, B, and C. BC is 16. BC is 16. All right. AC is 20. Automatically, because of Pythagoras, this is 12. Triangle DEF is similar to ABC. Look, DEF, ABC. ABC, DEF, DEF. Each side of the triangle is 1/3 of the length of the corresponding. You don't have to sketch it in the second triangle because they ask for the sine. They don't ask for the perimeter or something of the second triangle, so you don't have to sketch it. What we are given sine F. Sine F is same as the sine C. Sine of an angle is what? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. So sine F is same as sine C. It is 12 divided by 20, which is 0.6. It's all about the non-calculated section of the practice essay given out by the College Board. For the following videos, I'm going to go through the non-calculated section of the other practices given out by the College Board, and then right after I'll go on with the calculated part. All right, guys, take care of yourself. Have a good day.